Forgot deodorant stain on your shirt, I'm gonna show you how to pack the most amazing emergency kit for school. Number 1, deodorant. Especially if you have PE in the later times or maybe even in the morning, you could get really sweaty. So why just let the sweat take over you when you could actually just let the sweat, go away and dissolve on its own by using deodorant. Also, even if you're not sweaty, you just know that you smell bad, deodorant is super helpful, so go ahead and use it. 2, mini perfume or body spray. First things first, mini perfume is just amazing on the go. I literally have one in my backpack. I'm gonna come back with it. Here it is right here. She's like, hello. It's a literal lifesaver. If it's literally so hot outside and I'm like, I'm burning up, all I gotta do is to take it out, just like, spray her where I need it. She's just really good, especially on the go. So I recommend having mini perfume or maybe even a perfume spray, like a bigger bottle. Anything works as long as you're smelling good all day. Number 3, pads or tampons. Girl, we don't know what time of the month we get it, especially if you don't have a period tracker, and especially on those unexpected times when you're like, oh no, what the heck am I supposed to do? Well, this is why you need pads and tampons. Well, either one that you use in your emergency kit, because guess what? If you don't have it in there and there's a surprise one day at class, you are going to be very, very shocked by what is sitting behind you. And to be honest, even if it's not like that and you just need an extra and you're like, oh shoot, this pad's literally about to run out, like I could feel it. Just use your extras in your emergency kit and they're super helpful. That's what I have in my emergency kit and I never ever had an incident. 4, wipes or tissues. Okay, I was always scared to go up to the freaking place where the teachers had the tissues because I used to be a very antisocial person. I kind of still am, but I hated to go up to get tissues. So what I recommend doing is to bring your own wipes or tissues. If you make any messes on a t-shirt or something like that, you don't have to run to the bathroom looking all weird and have to wash it out, because that happened to me a lot last year. And tissues is if you have a runny nose or something and you were way too scared to go to the teachers, or you already got it from the teachers and they're like, no more, you took too many. So this is really good to bring wipes, tissues, anything. And also when you're on your period, don't forget to bring baby wipes, because for me, it makes me feel so much cleaner. Number 5, hand sanitizer. Hello, if you're touching something dirty, or if you just need to use the hand sanitizer before lunch and after lunch, then it's really good to have it on the go, because having hand sanitizer takes all the germs away. And like I said, on my period, that is a time where I mostly want to get all my germs away because I feel dirty as hell. And honestly, this really helps. So I totally recommend bringing hand sanitizer to school. 6, hair ties or bobby pins. Bobby pins you might need, not as much as hair ties. Okay, if it's hot, if you're sweating, you're literally dying, then hair ties are literally your help saver, like literally. I usually personally always bring about 3 to 4, maybe even 5 hair ties when I go to school in my emergency kit, because guess what? I never know when I'm gonna be sweating. I never know, okay? It could be hot one day and it could be like cold, like so cold the next day, which is why I always have rubber bands. And also, if you want to tie up a shirt or something, or maybe if your friend needs them, okay, look, you can love your friends as much, but giving people hair ties, I think it's nice. But also, if you're like a germophobic and you're scared of germs, I don't recommend this. Okay, you don't know where the hair tie's been. But having a hair tie or bobby pin is just really helpful at times. Number 7, lip balm. No one likes crusty lips, just like me. Okay, honestly, lip balm really does help with crusty lips. Maybe even if it's not a lip balm, lip gloss, lip mask, anything like lipstick, anything products for your lips. Because if you're in class and your crush is sitting right next to you and your lips are chapped, girl, how are you gonna talk to him like that? No, you gotta put on the lip balm. So definitely bring lip balm to school, because not only is it for that, but also it does make you look much better, okay? It honestly really does. Number 8, a compact mirror. A compact mirror is like a mini mirror, and I actually have one. It's like a mini mirror and there's another comb on the side, and honestly I think that is a big help because I gotta brush my hair, you know. But main thingly is about the mirror. If you need to check up on yourself and you can't whip out your phone and check it, or you just don't have anything to check it on, especially I know Chromebooks do have like cameras to do it on or something, but honestly those cameras are not clear and you can clearly not see yourself. So what I recommend doing is like getting a compact mirror just to like kind of look at yourself and be like, oh okay, like I need to fix this up, I need to fix this up, I need to fix my hair up. Yeah, that's basically it. So that's really what you need for a compact mirror. I just really recommend getting one because my life without one, I couldn't even do it. Okay, I could not do it. Number 9, mints. Mints are super duper helpful because guess what? If you are someone who know that you have bad breath, mints are really good for you because after lunch and you just ate everything and you're like, ugh, I don't have my toothbrush out here, especially if you have braces like me, then I recommend bringing mints. But my friend always has mints, so kind of always take some from her. But I do recommend bringing mints because your breath will smell much better, and let's just say water tastes better a little bit because the taste is nice and cold, and you know, it just keeps your breath fresh. That way when you're talking to someone, they don't say, ugh, your breath smells, because that would just be rude. But honestly, just bring mints. Number 10, mini brush. Mini brushes are such a good help. Okay, honestly, what would I even do without a mini brush? Okay, I gotta brush my hair like every single day because I hate even a single little tangle in my hair. And honestly, maybe you feel the same way and you don't like it when your hair is messy or tangled, which is why I recommend bringing a mini one. Bringing a big one is okay, but like, let's be honest, having a little mini one could fit in your emergency kit much better. And it's so much easier when you have a mini one. Like I said, I have a compact mirror and like a mini brush like in one together, like a 2-in-1. That's what I use every day. Honestly, it is a lifesaver. Okay, I recommend getting one of those. You can get them at Five Below, Amazon, anything. You could just get them anywhere. And honestly, having a mini brush, it does make your hair a little bit more better. And I just really recommend it because you wouldn't want tangles in your hair, right? 11, band-aids. Okay, what if you got hurt and your teacher's like, we don't have band-aids? Okay, look, they could send you to the nurse, but who on earth wants to wait literally while they're wounded? Maybe even hurt, but not that badly. I hope so. But who wants to wait that long just to go to the nurse? Yeah, it would be better if you had bandages, especially even if you're too scared to tell the teacher, because like I know some shy people out there. It's all right. I do recommend using band-aids because you are going to need them. You're gonna need them. One, like, you're gonna get a paper cut and you're gonna have to ask your teacher to like, I don't have them. You're gonna have to go over there and you're just gonna look weird, and then they're gonna be like, it's a paper cut. So I just really recommend bringing band-aids on your own. Literal lifesavers. Well, that was it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is the ultimate guide for what to put in your school emergency kit. That's it. Bye. Like and subscribe.